I've had this dream since the accident, and lately, it's become unbearable. But I'm not alone in this anymore.
Alone is how it starts. Healing begins when someone walks with you. If you're a railroad worker in New Jersey and you've been hurt on the tracks, you don't have to carry it alone. Contact Dr. Nasiek today. He specializes in pain management, neurology, post-traumatic injury. Pain isn't always easy to find. It has many faces, physical, psychological, and the kind that shows up long after the accident. Dr. Nasiek has over 35 years of experience helping people feel better after injuries, surgery, or chronic pain. Book an appointment now